Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and join the family. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to defluff your wool material jackets or clothing. So I know a lot of us experience this when you buy materials and you wash them and they start to have like this ball like texture on them. So I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that using some simple DIY materials that you might or might not have in your house. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and let's get started. So the items you're going to need for this is either one of these that you can get from Poundland or Home Bargain, or you can use a shaving stick. So I use the shaving stick for the tights because it's a lot easier and it's relatively inexpensive. You always have shaving sticks somewhere lying around your house. So I'm going to show you. This is like the ball stuff I was talking about. Can you see? Over here. It's like those annoying like ball stuff, and when you want to go to school or somewhere you don't want to wear this out. So you can take this and just basically go through with your shaving stick as such, and you get rid of like the materials on your table, wherever you're doing it on. And as you can see, it's coming off. I'll show you. Can you see that? It's all coming off on the table. So you can quickly go through with this. Looks almost brand new. Can you see? It's all gone. So this side as well, where you have on this side where you have the ball like stuff again, you just basically go over it with and there we go. It looks almost as good as new. No more ball like looking stuff on your tights. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to show you now how you can do the same thing on your jacket so that you can get rid of all those fluffy materials. This is what I mean by those ball like textures on the material. And so for this jacket we're going to use this, but I'm going to show you how to use the shaving stick as well. So yeah, let's get started. With the shaving stick, you just want to basically get in there and just start shearing it. So it's like you're shearing a sheet basically. You just want to start shearing it. So the shaving stick might take a while, so that's why you might just instead go with this because it's a lot faster and you can hear it do the work as we start. I don't know if you can see this, but there's like some stuff inside here, and that's for me just going through this. So you just want to do this like several times, or I mean you can take your jacket to a dry cleaners, but this is a lot inexpensive, and I mean you have a shaver at home, you can just go through it with a shaver. And yeah, Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and join the family.